Madonna's, I want to see one neck that one on my t-shirt here. I was supposed to go to Jamaica tomorrow. And I changed my mind. So much is happening and why I changed my mind. So everybody was saying, Donna, you deserve to go to Jamaica. You deserve to go to Jamaica. You deserve. I haven't gone to Jamaica since 2022. So this year, July, would make 3 years. I always want to go to Jamaica at least once per year. The year is not going to finish and I don't go to Jamaica. I have to go to Jamaica. But anyways, I'll be going to Montego Bay when I'm going. Yes, Montego Bay, me I go this time. I always go to Kingston. But the reason why I not go Jamaica tomorrow, money. All right. So what I wanted to I wanted to share something with you guys. When I go to Jamaica, I spend a lot because you know you have friends, you have family. When you go to Jamaica, you are think of packing barrel, you are think of carrying 3-4 suitcase. Yes. Anytime I go Jamaica, barrel ship a wharf, this a happen, that a happen. You can't go to Jamaica that often because all of your family, your generation, they down there. And you have to bring something for who you can bring for, you spend, it costs money. It costs money for places to stay. Well, it kind of different for me now because I have a travel membership where I get places to stay for little and nothing. Sometimes nothing. I'm want telling about the travel membership I have so I can recommend it to you so you can get it. I'm going to share it at the end of the video. But the reason why I'm now going to go to Jamaica because it costs so much money. And I can't just gym squeegee and go down to Jamaica and nobody don't know. I have friends and I have family down there where I love and care for. So it's like every time when I go and I come back, I'm like, damn, this costs me like some thousands. Yo, the last time I go to Jamaica, if it not cost me maybe about 7,000 and I go down there for like 3 days. Cost me a lot because me have to pack barrel, this, clear barrel, that, food, grocery, this, that, place to stay, bam, ticket, bam. The ticket alone was $1,000 and it was 2 of us. So just imagine, because it's last minute, and yes, you go spend, you rush, you buy, you know, buy nothing with the pan sale because you rush, you go down. And it ended up cost me a lot of money. Guess what? A credit card. You buy all of them something upon credit card, and when you come back, you gotta pay it back. Okay? So you spend your money upon credit card and you gotta pay it back. I spend a lot of money upon credit card. So me no want to run go to Jamaica right now. The other day I go to Cancun. I'm just sharing my views with you guys. If me I go to Jamaica, me can't just go to Jamaica like that. And it costs money. And right now, I have plans. I have big plans. And really, of a fact, that's the reason why me not go. Yeah, because me I got dip in the money when me have my plans, sir, and me don't want to do that. Remember, me not rich, guys. Just a try out life. And me go Cancun the other day. And me only travel with me carry on. And me go last year me go Cancun. So it looks coming like the other day, last year June 2024. 2023, me go Bahamas. And me only travel with me carry on. Me not telling a lie, it feels so good because me don't spend a lot. So me can't go to Jamaica every year no more. Me cannot because no, me cannot. Me have to travel different country, go know different place. That was always my dream. When me did down there, the woods couldn't even find food. it was a vision for me to travel the world. I mean, really want that opportunity to travel the world. Well, not me not go every place, cause certain place me not go. But it was always a vision. It was always a dream to travel. Them time them I couldn't even find a night dinner. So if you have a belief of traveling, don't give up. Just keep pursuing that. You know, God will make a way. Um, me go Dominican Republic, Cancun. I mean, really want to go back to Cancun. You know, it's very nice. Dominican was nice too, but I'm not gonna go back there. So, um, Bahamas was nice. The only thing we never enjoyed the food, but it was nice. Cancun, the food, everything was just off the train. Dominican too, the food and the place, everything. I never have no complaint. I go to Canada. Which time I go to Canada? 2 times or 1 time? I remember. So me start to me want to go out and go different places. You know what I mean? Because that was always my dream. Also, the travel membership that I have, guys, if you're not interested or not, please let me know. Please let me know. So I'm going to tell you a little bit about it, which is I'm gonna put in the comment section, just put in the comment section said you're interested in the travel membership. So when I signed up for the travel membership last year, I signed up for $100. And then I refer some people and I didn't know that. Well, I wanted to be in the affiliate program. So I did sign up for the affiliate program as well. But that is a different money. So I refer my son, my daughter's friend, Gracie, couple people well. I referred. And in the first 3 days, I earned a vacation stay without knowing that I was gonna earn it. I don't think they have that program, no, but they have different things. So let me tell you what I know they have right now because they changed that. If you sign up in the affiliate program, or if you just want to be a member, it's $29 per month. You get 30 points every single month when you pay that $29.95. Call it $30. And then that's every month. And you get 30 points. You get a VIP website. I'm not telling a lie. When me go up on that the website there, me go up on cheap, me no want call the rest upside them. Expedia, cheaper year, the whole of them, me go up on them, but compare the price because me get a VIP link to book place for stay for myself. Them have flight up there, but me I gotta be honest to you, the flight them no make no sense. Cause when we compare the flight, everybody have the same price to the flight. Them are everybody. So when me da go Cancun last year, we never even buy the flight from my website because it was like $15 more. But it fluctuated, it go on up. And through me have points with cheaper here, me dey go buy the flight over there. But me get the vacation stay from the company for free. Me only pay the taxes. And the taxes to the place where I stay at Cancun was $70. 70 US dollars. And me carry a friend and it was still $70. That's it. Never pay another cent. We get the place to stay and me live my best life at Cancun. I can tell you that was the best vacation me ever go on at Cancun. I live my life. I enjoy myself. I go zip liner. I do this. I do that. I don't know what me not do, guys. And I have so much fun and the food was so good. It's like at night time, I go to my bed early, I go find different places, go hang out and sit down and enjoy myself. I eat food. Me eat. The food tastes so natural and tastes so good and organic down there. So anyways, come back to the travel. So you get the 30 points, you pay $29 a month. At the end of the year, it's like you have 360 points. That 360 points can give you a vacation stay somewhere in anywhere in the world. They list a whole long, must be some whole heap of different country where you can choose from to get that vacation stay. The only thing you're going to pay is the taxes. And they have their booking agent where you just call up on your phone and then book it. And even if you live in Jamaica, you can buy the membership. If you live in some island, because some of the island them you can sign up for the membership and you can sign up for the affiliate program as well. And you can, accumulate your points, book. But the only I think on your VIP link is only you if you're going to book for you and your family. You can't give it to somebody to book in somebody else's name or anything like that. Everybody have to have their own VIP link unless you plan to just book a vacation stay for you and your family. And with this, when you get it, you can carry whosoever you want with you and you don't pay no extra money. So that is for the travel membership. Okay? Yes, you get 30 points every month and you can use that points accumulated. If you only take vacation once per year, at least you don't have to worry about place that you're going to stay. It's like you're paying $30 every month, your savings towards your next vacation stay. I would like to post and show you some things, but if you're not interested, let me know and then we can just have a little group of people, you know, on WhatsApp where we can just show them the pictures and the places where them go. You know what I mean? Where you can go stay and them things. So yeah. But let me know in the comment section. Anyway, my Danas, I'm gonna leave you know, and if you need to know more, just let me know. Yes, I'm close them soon ready. Let me show you the head cover. Yes, this is what it looks like. It's just black, but is what is on here is the most important thing. And this is raw cut. Okay, raw cut. Let's show you the top raw cut. Yeah, raw cut. The edges are raw cut. So I will be showing you guys more sooner. Okay, and when it's ready, I'm gonna post it on the website. Let me take off this so you can see. Yeah, you can. It's raw cut. Here is raw cut. Just want something a little different. Just don't want to in the same everyday t-shirt with everybody, Something a little different. I like this. Okay? Bye bye guys.